There's gonna come a time when you're gonna think a whole lot about me. There's gonna come a time when you're gonna think a whole lot about me. There's gonna come that time when you're gonna think a whole lot about me. 'Cause there was lightning in the alley, there was thunder full of heat, the electricity was going crazy around you and me right there in the street. There's gonna come a time when I'm gonna think a whole lot about you. There's gonna come a time when I'm gonna think a whole lot about you. There's gonna come that time when I ain't gonna be able to think about anything but you. Yeah, there was lightning in the alley, there was thunder full of heat, the rain was pissing down from the devil's dick on you and me. What a way to meet. Yeah, there was lightning in the alley, there was thunder in the street, the electrons were all aligned around you and me right there in the street. What a way to meet.
Oh yeah.
Right there in the street.
Did that happen? That happened.
What a way to meet.
So great.
It's definitely Berlin.
That lightning.
Kurfürstendamm, a place called Taschen.
That
Do you remember what you said to me? You said, "Hey buddy, get out of the rain.
was beautiful.
I got something to smoke."